Here's a bold statement. Mopping doesn't have to be a mundane chore. It can be a transformative ritual. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about cleaning floors, it's about clearing energy and inviting positivity into your space. Let me explain. Every fall, as the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, I find myself grappling with the seasonal shift. It's a time of letting go, much like nature shedding its leaves. But it's also a period of increased cooking and, inevitably, more messes on the kitchen floor. That's when I stumbled upon my sister's mopping routine, and it was so refreshing that I couldn't resist adopting it myself. But here's where it gets controversial. My sister's method isn't just about practicality, it's rooted in intention. She begins mopping from the westernmost point of her home, moving east, as if sweeping away stagnant energy. Then she does it all over again, this time from east to west, inviting in the energy she desires. Sounds unconventional? Maybe. But it's surprisingly effective, both for cleaning and for the soul. When I tried her method, I had to adapt it to my laminate kitchen floors. Excess moisture is a no-go, so I swapped the traditional bucket for my trusty Swiffer PowerMop, which sprays cleaning solution as I go. To mimic her ritual, I added a twist. I filled a spray bottle with Florida water, the citrusy floral-scented cologne known for its refreshing properties. First, I mopped as usual, letting the floor dry. Then, I misted the Florida water directly onto the floor and mopped again, this time without the cleaning solution. I followed her directional flow, west to east, then east to west. The result? My floors were spotless, but more importantly, I felt a sense of calm and intentionality I hadn't expected. The lingering scent of Florida water made my entire home feel renewed. Here's the catch. Florida water contains alcohol, which can dull untreated wood surfaces, so be mindful of your flooring type. For sealed floors, though, it's a game changer. This ritual isn't just about cleanliness. It's about creating a space that feels energetically aligned. Now, I'm curious. Would you try this method, or do you think it's too unconventional? Let's debate in the comments. Is mopping just a chore, or can it be something more?